Hey there, everyone. Thanks for joining. Hope you're doing well. This is Max. Let's check out DEWALT's cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. Discover the convenience of the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. The DCD77 drill offers 2-speed transmission ranging from 0 to 450 to 0 1500 RPM. Its high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, handling a variety of tasks. The compact, lightweight design ensures it fits into tight areas effortlessly. A half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides strong bit gripping strength. The ergonomic handle offers unparalleled comfort and control during use. The DCF885 impact driver features a compact, lightweight design and a 3 LED light ring for visibility. Rated 4.7 stars. Check out the more in-depth review in the YouTube description. Thanks for watching Big Rad Reviews. If you're enjoying our videos, be sure to subscribe to the page. As always, make it a great day.